In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to create a static layer of your original territory boundaries and then put that static layer into a different alignment file. This essentially lets you overlay other territory boundaries on a different territory design file. So you can kind of compare two different maps in one. So to start, let's go to File, click on Export, and export alignment as static layer. Here we just want to select territories, but you can also export district and region boundaries. But we just want to do our original territory lines from this file here in the background. Click Next. We'll call it Old Territory Boundaries. Click Next, and then we will change the color here. I'll make it a pink color, and I want it to appear when I've zoomed all the way out and reach its max size at zoom level 8. Clicking Next, I want to save this file as a static layer so that I can put it into a different alignment file. And now click on Finish. Now simply save that little shape file somewhere on your computer and click on Save. Here we have a different alignment file. So this is my file with 50 territories. The other file had about 98. I want to overlay the territory boundaries from that old file into this file so I can see how they compare. So now in this new file, I go to Home, Configure Layers, and on the left-hand side, you see Static Layers. So make sure you've got Static Layers clicked on. I then click on this green plus button here in the bottom left. And now we select the old territory boundaries that I created in that previous AlignMix file and click on Open. And right away, you'll see old territory boundaries appear in that dark pink color. When I click OK, you can now see the outlines of all of those territories that were from that previous file. Now remember, this is a static image or a snapshot in time of those other territories. So these lines will never change. They're only there so you can kind of compare this alignment to what the alignment is from that other file. You can essentially compare different sales teams this way, or different types of alignments with one another. But this pink line will never change unless you re-export again and import into this file. And there you go, you've just learned how to export a static layer of territory boundaries from one file and then import it into a different AlignMix file.